Hey y'all, how y'all doing? Y'all ever heard of American pickers picking all over America? Have you ever heard of Matt, part-time pickers on YouTube? Have you ever heard of Tommy, big buffalo picker, and his sidekicks? Glass City, Defender Hustle, Friday nights. Woo! Have you ever heard of Derek, Big D, the Fundamentals of the Side Hustle, and Regina Michelle? Have you ever heard of the Lone Star Picker? Have you ever heard of my boy, Blood, Sweat, and Sale? You're Leroy, you're bloody, you're sweating, and you're selling. What the heck? And have you ever heard of Lonnie? From garage, flip, garage to share. He done hired his wife. Whatever. And have you ever heard of Ella from Save Her First? Gotta say that first. Yeah, but it's Kevin from St. Louis. And I just want to tell y'all, woo, that we pick in the hood too. Yeah. Hey y'all. This is another What Sold video. I just want to tell y'all what I sold this week. Hold on, let me see something. What I sold this week. And go through with it with you guys. Tell y'all what I sold. First, let me strap in. I've been in this place since 9:30. Oh my God, it's 5-something, 7. I've been sitting here for 19 hours. What the hell? The hell going on? I got a life too. I thought I was moving in here. You know what I'm saying? I thought I was gonna have a bed, refrigerator, couch, everything up in here. I was here so long. Anyway, y'all, let's get to it, y'all. I'm finna turn y'all around. Okay, first of all, let me get it in gear. First of all, I sold some Harley dude and Harley mama stoneware coffee mugs. I sold those. I paid 50 cents a piece for these mugs, and I sold them for $20. I put them together because separately they wasn't selling good separate. Plus it looked better. It looked better for Pop and Mom. You know what I'm saying? Pop and Mom. So $20, $9 shipping and handling. I should have charged more for shipping and handling because it's $8 for one mug. You know what I mean? So $20. Next up, I sold a NFL head coach. My asking price was $13.80 for each one of them. I had about 10 of them. This I had 2 left, and I just sold both of these this week. But anyway, it sold for $13.80, and I put free shipping down. I don't know why I did that, y'all. Second up is I sold a little pet shop, Great Dane. Little pet shop. If you all see these little animals, they real tiny. But I had this one on for $17. Somebody bought it, $2 shipping and handling. It's called Little Pet Shop. This one was a Great Dane puppy. Hold on, y'all. I got to get out this truck and open this door up. Hold on for a minute. Hold on, y'all. I might still record while I'm doing it. Hold on a minute. Open this door up right quick for this security guy. I'm back. Just had to open the door for the security guy so he can see that I'm at Menards Distributing Center, so he can see I didn't have no Menards stuff in here. Yeah, so let's get back. Let's get back to it, y'all. So, the third item I sold is some TY mini boosts. They like little miniature beanie babies, hand painted stuff like that. I sell them 5 for $15.80. So you get a lot of 5 for $15.80. In the past week, I done sold. This is my 6th lot that I done sold in the past week and a half. So they selling pretty good, y'all. $15.80. Free shipping. I don't know why I put that free shipping in there. Next up, I got a Fisher Price Imaginext Power Ranger. It's about a 48-inch tall, 28-inch tall Power Ranger that you can put characters in and stuff. I had it on eBay for $45. I sent somebody an offer for $35 and he bought it. So $12 shipping and handling. It's huge. It's about 28 inches tall and probably about 20 inches wide, 18 to 20 inches wide. So I'm really at the monster box up for this. Okay. Next up, I sold a lino train keychain for $22.50. I paid 50 cents for this at one of my favorite thrift stores. I paid 50 cents for it. I sold it for $22.50. Free shipping and handling. The only reason I did that because it's real small and it's not going to cost nothing but like $2 or $3 something to ship. So that's why I did that. Free shipping and handling. I shouldn't have done it free. Next up, I sold a Midland digital weather hazard alert system. It's like a little, I guess, it's like a little radio that give you weather alerts all the time. It's just a whole lot of weather channels on there or something. I don't know what it does. All I know is it's an emergency weather channel thing. So I don't know. I sold that for $20.10. I paid $2 for it. $6 shipping and handling. Next up, I sold a Sopranos season 1, 2, 3, and 4 VHS box set for $45.40. Okay, I paid $2 a piece for each one of these things. That's $8. I sold it for $45.40. I had it on there for $55.40. Somebody offered me $45 and I took it. So, and that was I guess medium mail, that was, I think it was $8 shipping and handling or something like that, medium mail. That's why I want to sell everything medium mail because it's so cheap. This box was 12 pounds, almost 13 pounds, and it was $8 something to ship. So I don't know, y'all. I might just start selling VHSs and DVDs and stuff. I don't know. It's pretty cheap. Okay, next up. Hold on, I'm at the stop sign. Wait a minute. Gotta get on this highway. Next up, I sold a Wonder Pets Save the Reindeer kids DVD. You know, I paid $1 for my DVDs. I sold this for $5.60. I'm trying to get rid of all these DVDs I got. So I'm saving them real. I'm selling them real cheap. I'm selling them real cheap, and just trying to get rid of them, y'all. I think I charged for shipping $1 shipping on this one. At least it helped me out because, you know, with media mail, shipping is $2.80. Every time I send a DVD out, its shipping is $2.89. So at least they cut $1 off the shipping. Okay, next up I sold the Civil War DVD, a 10 DVD set, 150th anniversary of the Civil War. Hold on. I paid $2 for this. Brand new in the box. I sold it for $22 and $2.89 shipping and handling. I think it cost $3 or something medium mail for this one though, because it was like over a pound. No, it's probably still $2.89. Next up, I sold a pair of Yonex Power Custom Ellipsis, whatever that is, tennis shoes, size 7. I paid $4 for these. I sold it for $26. I had them on there for $36. I sent the guy off for $26. I sent the guy off for $30. He sent me back an offer for $26, and I took it. Okay. Now my truck's shaking. Anyway, so Next up, I sold a set of books. This is my third week selling books, y'all. I had last week I sold 2 books. Week before last I sold 3. So it's my third week in a row selling books. Usually I sell like 2 or 3 books a month, but I've been hitting them this past month. I've been setting a record for selling books. It's called a Madam Trilogy box. The Year of the Flood and some other books. $33.40. Y'all know I pay less than $1 for my books. This was these are paperbacks, but they're in a set box. You know, a box when you get the set. Anyway, it's 4 books. No, it's 3 books. It's 3 books. I think I paid $2 for this, because sometimes in these thrift stores, they have it, with box sets or more than just a regular book. So I sold it for $33.40. I paid for the shipping and handling. Next up, I sold another head coach for $13.80. Free shipping. I sold a Star Wars Empire Strikes Back Nintendo NES game for $28. This game was pretty, the front tag, I didn't have the cover, the box for it. It was just the game. And the front tag, the front description is on the front to tell you what the game is. It was kind of stained and some of it was kind of torn. If it was in real good condition, probably could have got more for this game. Next up, I sold, that's it. Yeah, that's it, y'all. That's all the stuff I done sold since Sunday. I got a picture on Instagram of all the stuff packed up. So if you want to see that, you can see it. But anyway, yeah, y'all stay safe out there. And I'd like for y'all to see this road stuff. I really don't want to turn this camera back around so y'all can see me, because the road look better than me, y'all. Anyway, I'm turning. Yeah, y'all be safe. Oh, let me turn back around because the sun all in. Y'all be safe out there. Wear your mask. I don't care what nobody say. Protect yourself and your family, and that's all I got to say about that. And I just want y'all to know, woo, that we pickin' the hood too. Yeah, peace.